Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling a legal tournament deck. 60 cards total, no more than 4 copies of any single card, and exactly 6 prize cards set aside. Sleeve every card and put the deck in a clear, labeled deck box. Bring a printed deck list showing card counts and names for registration. Verify all cards are tournament legal in the current rotation and remove proxies. Check your playmat, damage counters, coin, and a pen for the match slip. Arrive early for deck check and pairings. A standard tournament uses 50-minute Swiss rounds. Judges will announce time signals and a final turn procedure if time expires. Each match begins with each player drawing 7 cards and placing a basic Pokémon in the active position. Set 4 prize cards face down for each player unless format uses 6. Track damage with counters, use status markers for burned or paralyzed, and record knocked out Pokémon. If time ends, finish the current turn plus 1 extra turn per player. Play respectfully and follow rules precisely. Shuffle openly, announce attacks, costs, and effects allowed, and clarify retreat or ability use before resolving. If any dispute, illegal play, or unclear game state occurs, call a judge immediately rather than arguing. Judges assess penalties like warnings, game loss, or match loss. Avoid slow play. Make decisions efficiently and communicate turns to your opponent. Maintain sportsmanship. No abusive behavior or intentional stalling. And record match results accurately on the pairings sheet or tournament.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.